Arithmetic. Arithmetic is the fundamental branch of mathematics that deals with numbers and basic operations. It is the foundation of all other branches of mathematics and is used in everyday life, science, and engineering. 1. Basic operations of arithmetic. 1. Addition. Combining two or more numbers to find their total. Example, 5 plus 3 equals 8. 2. Subtraction, finding the difference between numbers. So for example, 10 minus 4 equals 6. Multiplication, repeated addition of a number. Example, 7 times 2 equals 14. 4. Division, splitting a number into equal parts. For example, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 2. Properties of arithmetic. 1. Commutative property. Order does not change the result in addition and multiplication. For example, a plus a equals b plus a to 3 plus 5 equals 5 plus 3. Or a times b equals b times a to 2 times 4 equals 4 times 2. 2. Associative property. Grouping does not change the result in addition and multiplication. For example, a plus b plus c equals a plus bc. A times b times c equals a times b times c. 3. Distributive property. Multiplication distributes over addition. Example, a times b plus c equals a times b plus a times c. 4. Identity property. Additive identity. A plus 0 equals a. Multiplicative identity. A times 1 equals a. 5. Inverse property. Additive inverse, a plus minus a equals 0. Multiplicative inverse, a times 1 over a equals 1 for a equals 0. 3. Types of numbers in arithmetic. 1. Natural numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 3. Integers, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 4. Rational numbers, numbers that can be expressed as fractions. So for example, 3 over 4, 0.75, and minus 2.5. 5. Irrational numbers cannot be written as fractions. For example, pi and square root of 2. 6. Real numbers, all rational and irrational numbers. 4. Advanced arithmetic topics. 1. Factors and multiples. Factors, numbers that divide into another number exactly. Factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Multiples, numbers obtained by multiplying. So for example, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. 2. Prime and composite numbers. Prime only divisible by 1 and itself. So for example, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Composite has more than 2 factors. Example, 4, 6, 8, and 9. 3. Greatest common divisor, GCD, and least common multiple, LCM. Greatest common divisor, largest number that divides two numbers. So for example, the greatest common divisor of 12 and 18 is 6. Least common multiple, LCM, smallest number that is a multiple of both. So for example, least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Percentages represents a fraction of 100. So for example, 25% of 200 is 25 over 100 times 200 equals 50. 5. Ratio and proportion. Ratio, comparison of two numbers. So for example, 3 to 5. Proportion, when two ratios are equal. For example, 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10. 6. Exponents and roots. Exponentation. 2 to the third equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Roots, the square root of 9 equals 3. The cubed root of 27 equals 3. 5. Applications of arithmetic. Daily life, shopping, budgeting, time management. Science and engineering, measurements, calculations, physics formulas. Finance, banking, interest rates, investments. Technology, computing, data analysis, and coding.